Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ocean Worldwide Real Estate Podcast. I'm Alice.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic for anyone looking to invest in Thailand: why hiring a real estate professional is essential.
That's right, Daniel. Navigating the Thai real estate market can be complex, and having a seasoned professional by your side can make all the difference.
So, Alice, what are the main reasons one should consider hiring a real estate professional in Thailand?
Well, Daniel, one of the primary reasons is risk mitigation. A professional agent can identify and resolve potential issues, ensuring the legitimacy and viability of your investment.
That makes sense. What about the overall process? Can an agent make it smoother?
Absolutely. Real estate transactions involve many steps, from property hunting and negotiations to legal paperwork. Agents streamline these processes, saving you time, stress, and ultimately money.
Access to properties is another big factor, right?
Yes, agents have access to a broader range of properties, including those not publicly listed. Their market insights help you make informed decisions, getting the best value based on current and forecasted conditions.
There's also a common perception that going the DIY route saves money. What do you think about that?
Interestingly, hiring a real estate agent can be more cost-effective. Professionals negotiate better deals, avoid costly mistakes, and identify the best financial structures to reduce expenses, like transfer fees and taxes.
Experience must play a significant role as well. How does the experience of professional agents compare to novices?
The depth of experience is crucial. Seasoned agents understand local market dynamics, legal changes, and construction quality, which can't be quickly learned. They have established networks with legal advisors and financial institutions, facilitating smooth transactions and offering after-sale support.
Reliability and accountability seem important too.
Definitely. Established professionals stake their reputation on every transaction, ensuring transparency and integrity. Novices might not have a track record to back their promises, which can be risky for investors.
Tailored investment strategies sound valuable. Can professional agents provide this?
Yes, experienced agents tailor strategies to individual client needs, assessing financial goals, investment horizons, and risk appetites. This personalized approach contrasts sharply with the one-size-fits-all strategy often seen with less experienced agents.
To sum up, hiring a seasoned real estate professional in Thailand is invaluable. They bring knowledge, market access, and personalized strategies, ensuring a secure and efficient property buying experience.
Exactly, Daniel. For anyone looking to invest in Thai real estate, leveraging the expertise of a professional is a smart move.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more insights and updates on the real estate market.
See you next time. And for a list of properties for sale, check the link in the show notes.